How to fix Instagram widescreen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen or even the white screen because they are the same. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to apps. Now on this page all what you have to do is search for Instagram and click on it. If you didn't find it, then you have to search for it in the search bar right here in the top. Click on Instagram. Now all what you have to do here is just go to the notifications management, make sure to turn it off and turn it on again. Go back, click on force stop and then go to the data usage, make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back and this time go to the wireless and networks and go to the Wi-Fi and enable it and disable it again. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you so much for watching.